Today I'm continuing my series on organizing and cleaning up data in Excel. Sometimes your data is not as neat as you'd like. For example, having full names in one column. What happens when we want to separate this into first and last name? Luckily, Excel makes this easy and gives us a couple ways to do it. The first way I'm going to demonstrate is with using a function that is called text to columns. Now I know I need two columns here, and so that I don't overwrite what's existing there, I'm going to insert a column. Now, to use text to columns, I'm going to highlight the data that I want, which is the full name, and I'm going to go to my Data tab. Then you're going to go to Text to Columns, and a pop-up window comes in. You're going to select delimited in this case because the first names are all different lengths. So if I chose fixed width, it won't work. Delimited allows you to select a character to separate by. So in this case, we want to select space. I'm going to click the next, and then Excel is kind enough to give us a little preview to see if that's going to work. Looks great. So I'm going to hit finish. And now you can see that the names are separated, and I can just rename this first name and last name. Now there is another way if you want to keep full name intact or just use a different approach. If I want to keep full name there, I can add two extra columns, and I'm going to call them first name and last name. It's as simple as using the formula text before or after. So I'm going to demonstrate using text before here. And the text I want to split is full name, so I'm going to select that. And I have to identify the delimiter. In this case, it is a space. And hit enter. And I see that I have Alice, Bob, and Charlie. And now we're going to do the same thing with the text after. And again, a space. Hit enter. And there you have it. So whether you use text to columns or formulas, Excel gives you quick ways to turn messy names into organized data.